Hey everyone, welcome to English with Urvashi. आप कब से मेरा वेट कर रहे हैं? Excuse me, वो कब से इस कंपनी में काम कर रही है? आप कब से दिल्ली में रह रहे हैं? Well, there are so many questions that we ask this way. So today, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to frame such questions and how to answer also. So let's look at the formation first. We always start our sentence with how long. A lot of people say for how long, since how long. I'm afraid that's grammatically wrong. You don't have to start your sentence with since or for how long. It's only how long. How long, followed by has oblique have. Well, that depends on the subject that you're using. Then subject, then been. Yes, do not pronounce it like been, it's been, as in dustbin. Then first form, ing, object. Let's have a lot of examples to make you understand more clearly. So if I want to ask someone कि आप इस कंपनी में कब से काम कर रहे हैं? I have to start my sentence with how long, and what my subject is? You. And with you, we use have. How long have you been working in this company? How long have you been working in this company? Okay. कब से बारिश हो रही है? बारिश के लिए, मौसम के लिए, we always use the subject it. Don't forget. How long has it? It के साथ has लगाते हैं. How long has it been raining? Okay. आप दिल्ली में कब से रह रहे हैं? या हम दिल्ली में कब से रह रहे हैं? Let's use some other subject now. या they लगाते हैं. How long have they been living in Delhi? How long have they been living in Delhi? Okay. तुम्हारी बहन कब से पढ़ रही है? तुम्हारी बहन, your sister. क्या आएगा इसके साथ? Has, right? How long has your sister been studying? How long has your sister been studying? Okay. वो कब से टीवी देख रहा है? How long has he been watching TV? Now let me tell you how to answer such questions. It's very simple. Yes, it's very simple. We always start answering with it's. It's been. It's been, and when we talk about the duration. So अगर मुझे कहना है, supposedly you ask me कि how long have you been waiting for me? आप मेरा wait कब से कर रहे हैं? And if I want to say कि हाँ 2 hours हो गए हैं, I'll say it's been 2 hours. Excuse me, how long have you been waiting for me? Well, it's been 2 hours. कब से बारिश हो रही है? How long has it been raining? It's been 3 hours. Okay. वो कब से पढ़ रही है? How long has she been studying? Well, it's been only half an hour. Have you understood the formation? I'm sure it's clear to you. It's been. And please, been mat bolna, it has been 2 hours. Start using the contracted forms. It makes you sound better and impressive in English. It's been, and then talk about the duration. It's been. Okay? I hope you've understood and start practicing. But बोल के practice करना है. Sentence notebook में नहीं बनाने हैं. Start speaking such sentences. Happy learning!